Hi there guys and gals, one lovely afternoon to every one of you. How are you all doing? I'm here inside in our village, as you can see. Oh gosh, hold on. The sun, so the sun is so, hold on. Gosh. So pathetic people. Careless driving. Gosh, sorry. The smell of gasoline of the motorcycle. Ay. See that? Anyway, there's no more trace of Typhoon Uwan here in the Philippines. And just want you to know, guys and girls, that this could be my first month of walking again, going outside here in our village, just for me to save more money. Actually, I've been doing this, so, and even on night and midnight when I'm going home, I also walk because there's no more shadow are available. Hold on, gosh, my umbrella, look at this one. That's why. So just for me to save money, guys, please bear with me, okay? And then what's this? I'm lost. And even on the tricycle, I also take a walk when going here there in our gate. So I save 70 pesos plus 5 pesos each in on the jeepney. I ask for discounts every night and every day. So if I'm gonna compute it, yesterday was my yesterday was my also 1 month on taking a walk instead of taking a tricycle. So let's proceed. So if I'm gonna compute it, I save, oh gosh, oh, the wind blows. When I'm gonna compute it, I save 70 pesos per day. So if I'm gonna times it to 10, it's equivalent of 700, and then another times 30, it's 2,100. And if I compute it and multiply it on 10 months, it's a total of 20. Oh my gosh, my umbrella, hold on. It's a total of 21,100, right? To 1, yeah. And then if I'm gonna add another 2 months to make it 1 year, gosh, sorry, my umbrella, sorry, my umbrella. I'm gonna compute it on, hold on. If I'm gonna compute it on 1 year, another 4,200, so it's equivalent of 21,600 per year. See that? So if I were you, do the same thing, okay? And then if I'm gonna compute it for another decade or 10 years, it's a total of what did I say? Oh gosh, I'm lost. 26,400. It's equivalent of a total of 264,000. See? 0.2 million. And then if I'm gonna compute it again for another 10 years, 500,000 something. So for me to have a 1 million just walking, a total of 40 years to make it 1 million. See that? Oh my gosh, that remains to be seen. Okay, anyway guys and girls, I have to go. I have to continue my walking. Shout out to each every one of you for all the wonderful things. But for now,